happens at your first court appearance in Minnesota?
It's a great question. I hear it all the time. And it really depends on the type of case and mostly the severity of the type of case. If it's a misdemeanor case or a traffic case or something like that, most of the time you're going to show up, you're going to tell the court that you want to plead not guilty, and you're going to pick a new date to come back. That's going to be about it. A lot of times the court will put some sort of conditions on you. You know, there's what we call the standard conditions that should make sense to most people of don't break any more laws, come to court next time, stay in contact with your attorney. Those are kind of the bare minimum. There's all sorts of other conditions that the court can do, though. If it's an assault case, there's probably going to be a no contact order. You're going to be told you can't talk to the person who was allegedly hurt by you. If it's a drug case, the court might want some kind of random drug testing or screening to make sure that, you know, you're not getting high and putting the public at risk, or that you're not going to miss out on your next court appearance. But there's also an alternative to that, and that's the other thing that can happen at a first appearance is you can have bail arguments. Under the Minnesota Constitution, you do have a constitutional right to have bail set, both unconditional bail and conditional bail. And so what that means is if you put up some money and you satisfy the court that, you know, you have some skin in the game, you're not going to run, you're not going to miss out on court, you're not going to commit new crimes because you'll lose that money that you gave the court, then you don't have to jump through all the hoops of doing drug testing and whatever other conditions they want to put on you. Now, again, depending on how serious the case is, that could be anything from $1,000 to $100,000 to $500,000, depending on what kind of trouble you're being accused of. So there are a lot of different things that can happen at your first appearance. It's really case specific, but just to sum it all up, you're going to get some kind of orders about coming back to court. You might have some type of release conditions, and you might have an amount of monetary bail set.